Some sound effects here. Chop. Chopping noise. Chop.
The reason why we don't use wooden sticks to knock down our trees. I mean, you can hear it's not working. This is training. What are you doing?
Sweat drop.
Stop your evil deforesting and stop the destruction of the lush and wonderful environment that we live in. Did you not hear the birds?
No, I can't.
They're tree birds.
You started a chainsaw? Man, you are so dependent on your tool.
Shut up, man. I'm not going to take crap from you. I'm going to start my chainsaw.
Now, what is it you do this tree first?
And that last one was his arm.
Apparently I will blow you with wind so that you no longer I will burn your sword so that you no longer use it.
Crackle, crackle, crackle.
I will also blow the sword away, apparently.
Alright, there's one thing on the top of the planet. It's a hole full of sludge. I'm going to turn it on.
You can use this against me.
No!
With my chainsaw.
Toxic sludge, the weakness that every freaking person I ever come up against always has.
That's your foot sword,
I
dude.
can feel my heart beating in my ears. I should have died with this back.
Yeah, I can hear it too. Okay, I'm just going to take out my actions here. I'm going to finish him off. I'm kind of hungry, though. I got something to eat.
I want to go get something. I do want to go get something to eat. Let's jump in my car.
All right, let's go. Come on, another lumberjack. Wait, lumberjack.
Let me just start the engine. It's powered by a gopher.
That's why it's not running. Oh, it's a balloon song.
I should pump it up with my air compressor. First, I'll just get out of the car. And slam the door.
Get these here. What do you want me to get?
Have an air compressor?
Yes, yes.
I don't
Okay. Plug it into the tire. Pop it.
forget it. I will just fly us there.
Oh, okay, that's much better.
I got one for the audience. Somebody make the noise of fire that doesn't sound like. What is it? What? Crackle, crackle, crackle. Okay, I started to write. I'm sorry. It's your fault. I'm turning it over to you now.
Tristan MacAvery, everybody. I made life difficult on him by not acknowledging the sound of fire.
Isn't that usually how our game goes with that anyway?
It is exactly how that game goes.
I bet fire